So game one goes to American the Gadgets.
Son, you savage, son. You savage. Son.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That shit was
pretty
crazy.
good. It's nice that you didn't draw a hamster.
I know.
We good? You going first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Sure. 2, 3, 4, 5,
6. Set. Go ahead.
Alright. Go. Wow. Cyber.
Yeah.
Attack.
Hamster.
Yeah.
Get Raikou.
Yeah.
If I can find it.
Sure. Pass.
Draw.
Yeah.
Cards in hand.
5.
Mind control.
Yeah.
Summon Airbell.
Yeah.
Attack for 16. Let's hit 64.
Yeah. That hurts.
6.
Yeah.
Stars.
Yeah.
Go.
Go.
Draw.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Attack for 200.
Sure.
25.
Yeah. Deep prison.
Deep prison.
Alright. Matt.
So minus 200. Put you at 62.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set and go. So minus
Pass.
draw.
Yeah. You got it.
Go.
Sure. Pass. Yeah.
Sure.
Flip.
Chain. Still Miller, right?
Yeah. No, you don't.
Yeah,
Is that kitty cat?
Yeah, that was the kitty cat.
I already had 2 numbers in here anyways.
Someone's a cat!
So
From Z Grave!
that's just a flip summon.
Yeah. Yeah. Bottoms.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Sure. Summon.
Yeah.
500.
Sure.
Set.
75, 62.
Pass.
Draw.
75, 62. Yeah.
Summon.
Bottoms.
Can't do nothing, son.
I don't like that guy.
Powder Ivory.
That's nasty.
Hopefully
You got it.
draw something good. Of
Yeah.
course, the cat or Z cat or however you say it is going back is.
Yeah, right. Let's go, son.
Should have activated first, not summoned first.
We
Sure.
need no answers. Right.
Go.
Shift.
Yeah.
Pass.
Draw.
Yeah.
Attack.
Okay, gear frame. Good. So I was waiting for a gear frame, man.
62.75. Yeah, go ahead.
Sure. Shit. So,
Yeah.
peacekeeper.
Yeah.
Ranger.
That's fine. Mine is 8.
-8. What's left?
75.54.
16.
That's fine.
Right. Sorry. It's not bad. 18.
Yeah. So 16 minus 18 puts me at 41. Tier 54.
Yeah, you got it. Sync. Target Urbellum.
Arabellum.
Yeah, let me see, bro. Just real quick. Thanks.
What's the defense of that?
Defense at 13.
Alright.
Go.
First. MSC.
Which one?
That one.
That sucks.
Draw. Go.
Loud. What's left?
41.54.
Back. Yeah. Five, third. Yeah. Smash.
Book.
What is it?
Oh,
Book.
Yeah, but alright, let's see. Set. Okay. Actually, hold on. Yeah, you're good.
Draw.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Draw. And go.
Yeah.
3. Tax 5.
Sure.
No more.
No target.
Yeah. Yep. Right here. It's about 8. Sure.
Puts you at 46 to mark 41.
Yeah, good turn.
Draw. Go.
Draw. What do you have face down? It's crazy.
I don't know, man.
Green?
Yeah.
Red. So we can push our game. Hold on. I actually. Attack.
This with this,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's back.
Alright.
Face down. Right here.
Destroy, Airbell.
Yeah, you got it.
why does it say back half?
Yeah. Set. Pass. Go.
Draw. Go ahead. 41.
Flip.
Yeah.
Attack one. You're 41.
Yeah.
What's that?
1200.
Limited our damage.
So it's 24, right?
Yeah. And then 20, 40.
Yeah.
9,000.
It's good.
That's good.
Yeah.